updated the title and we're live now.
Okay, no worries. We're not professional here.
No.
Oh, I saw you've got rid of your picture as well. Where are you?
It
On the
was
stream.
taken almost 10 years ago on the front of my now wife's house.
No, sorry, your webcam's not on the stream.
Oh. Yes.
Or at least I can't see it.
No, it's because I made you the...
Oh, so I'm the only one on the stream now. Hello, everyone.
Yeah, basically.
Okay, after that abysmal start to the stream, we're going to have a look at seeing if we can improve the ordering of projects when searching in these drop downs. When you go to an issues list for a group, before you can actually create an issue, you need to select the project that you want to add the issue to. The problem is that the search ordering here isn't optimal, or in a lot of cases, even useful. So we're on the GitLab org group here. If I just did a search for the GitLab project, it actually returns an awful lot of projects that are obviously GitLab related, but not the actual GitLab project itself. And when I had a check previously, I don't think the main GitLab project even returned as an option in there. So I wanted to go digging into this and see if we can find a way to improve that ordering, potentially using Postgres search, text search weights. But first steps are to find out how this works and where it's getting the list of results from. Does that cover everything, Marco?
Yeah, pretty much. That's if GDK wants to work. That's
I
we chatted
did
about.
do a fetch and restarted it. I'm not sure what's going on with Webpack here. Failed to open.
There's something. You're sharing only a portion of your screen.
Oh no, I am. Oh well. Let me do that. That should hopefully be everything now.
Yep. I'm gonna make sure that the stream is right on Twitch. Yep.
Wait for GitLab to boot. While that's going on, I guess we could start having a guess at where this is gonna.
Yeah, I have a feeling that's going to be Haml and not a view application, because I know that the issues list is not a view application.
www. Okay, so it's doing a GraphQL call, so it might actually be view.
Or maybe that button is.
Yeah. Okay. So it's doing a GraphQL search for search projects. Should be something easy to find. Search project query, GraphQL. Oh yeah, that's the actual component as well. Nice.
Yep.
But I guess we're more interested in the back end at the moment.
Yeah.
So That's the search project GraphQL.
So that's on the projects resolver.
Where do we go from there? I can never remember how to find my way around GraphQL stuff.
I'm going to have a look.
Projects resolver.
Project or projects resolver? I don't know.
Projects finder.
That's a projects resolver with a project finder. Yeah.
Search project. Group projects.
Oh, on the
Okay.
GraphQL post that you saw on the network, what was it using as a sort argument?
It was not.
Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, well, it's not required. Projects finder.
Field name sort direction. Do you reckon we could potentially just use that as an option?
We could, but we have to check what sorting columns are actually supported. Because it's not passing anything at the moment, so I wonder what the default sorting is.
Projects finder. Is this correct? This doesn't
Collection. There's a.
look right.
I don't think sort.
Try and go to the rest of the code.
Just, by default, it's just sorting by ID.
What are ID descending?
Yeah.
Yeah, so that matches what I thought, where all the projects would appear at the bottom of the list.
Yeah.
Which,
I wonder.
Yeah, which is very useful.
Yeah, but we could try actually to use a sorting attribute. If we just try to sort by name, descending or ascending, I don't know.
Yeah, the problem with just sorting by like the name is that
it won't affect the search. So the description will still be handled. It just will affect the ordering of the results.
Oh, I've only got the one project here. Flight 2. I just created a new group, didn't I? Oh, dear. So we would expect now in this.
Okay.
This that flight project would appear at the top.
So the supported attributes on the project for the sort by attribute are storage size, latest activity, parse, and then it defaults to another by.
Where did you find that out?
On the project model. Around line 813.
800 Gs. Okay.
Yep.
Sort by attribute.
Order by is not defined here, but I guess that's some kind of Rails black magic.
See, we were actually talking and saying that by activity might be one of the best ones to sort by, because then whichever project has had recent activity will float to the top.
Yeah. That
I wonder if we just try doing that. Can we just do projects order ID?
Oh, there's a sortable concern which defines the order by. Awesome. Oh, okay. This kind of makes sense because, for example, on the project model, on that sort by attribute, which defaults to the order by, it's not one of the attributes that you see there. It uses the sortable concern.
I was going to say, because it's using ID, it would just be doing this, wouldn't it? Order
Yes.
by method.
Yes, because if you search for sortable
In the project.
no, if you do
Oh, just in general.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one. There are that's the order by method, and then it's using this one of the simple sorts that every model using this concern will be able to use.
So in the finder, if you pass a parameter in, it will actually call the sort by attribute method.
Yep.
And I just realized that should be that. So if we just pass in latest activity descending, that should call it to hit one of these then.
Yeah.
And I wonder if this is actually
Yeah, that's.
I don't know if that is actually going to be latest activity. Or does the project actually get updated when something changes inside it?
I think that's getting updated when, for example, you push a commit, but then that would be against which branch? Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
We can test it out because this should sort by the latest activity, which at the moment would be the flight project still.
Okay.
Yeah. And if we go into the normal flight project, and what can we do? Create an issue?
Oh, well, yeah, even that.
Will that trigger an update event?
I'm not too sure. Because then, yeah, there would be ton of updating.
Yeah. But if it is, I mean, yeah, sorting by latest activity, like creating an issue, pushing a commit, leaving a comment, all those things are technically activity on the project.
Yes, I agree, but I'm not too sure that all of those activity actually will update the updated that field.
Yeah.
Well, they might actually do if there are some metrics being monitored.
For some reason, nothing is loading anymore.
Oh, there's a simple reason: we're streaming.
True. Everything seems to be running.
Okay.
Oh, I pressed escape and that caused it to load. Oh, there you go. So if I create a new issue, this isn't just the flight one. Does this change the sort order?
That's a very good name for an issue.
And then if we reload this page.
Well, technically, you shouldn't need to reload it. But
it caches the search. So if I click the drop down again, it won't actually query anything.
Oh, yeah, that's an Apollo thing.
Yeah.
So that didn't work.
So that didn't change anything. What about updating like a project setting? Because this should definitely cause the updated.
Yeah, well, that's on the
right?
project model itself.
Yeah. Nope, that still didn't change anything.
That's strange.
Did I save the file? Yes.
Yeah.
Latest activity descending. Yeah, that's the right order.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you.
I can't spell. Oh gosh. Text start from project. Where name. Doop.
Oh, can you actually read that red text on a black background?
Here, yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's a
Is
compression.
it looking really bad? It could be,
yeah.
So flight updated at. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Like a minute ago. Record 2 updated that. Yeah. Oh, and there is actually a last activity at as well,
which is not the same.
No.
It's slightly before. No, well, not that slightly.
I just want to undo this and just try. Just want to see if changing this is actually going to change anything.
Oh, that's why it takes forever to load the page, because you're changing the backend.
Yeah. Wait, was it descending originally?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll keep it as descending, and this should be, yeah, this should be flight project and then flight JS, just flight.
Yeah.
And if we change it to that, oh no, then this should flip the order around.
Yeah, if it works. I mean, I'm pretty sure that method is defined.
Why did that not change anything?
Can you set a breakpoint just to make sure?
In the code, in this or in the front end? I guess here.
Yeah.
Can you remember what the syntax was now?
Binding.pry.
Oh yeah. It's pry shell, isn't it? For the
Pry
front
shell.
end stuff.
Oh, really? Did it change again?
No, those you can do pry. Lee was saying this last week. You can do pry from a test,
Okay.
but because we're going through the front end and doing an API call, we need to do pry shell. But then I can't remember what you have to do in the terminal.
Oh.
To actually access that.
That's useful.
I'm assuming there's a rake command to run. Where do we go?
Shoot.
Oh dear.
Well, I usually use pry, the simple pry. What? It's been a while since I actually debugged something on the backend, but I usually do the GDK thing that will show me the command to actually stop the backend and run the backend with the binding.pry.
Ah, yeah. I can't remember what that is now.
Well, if you run GDK thin, that will show you the command.
Oh, there we go.
Really?
It took it. Yeah.
Oh, that's easier.
I forgot what we were doing here now.
Checking what. Oh, you don't have items. You have collection. Yeah.
So before it was 21.6 and now it's 6.21. So it did change the order of them.
Oh, does it have a sorting on the front end too? Oh boy, let's have a look. And I don't
New
know.
issue dropdown.
nodes. Oh, but you did actually check the nodes returned by the query.
Yeah, I did. Has that got another one? Flight project.
Order by ID. Ascending. Yeah, that should be.
Doesn't look like.
There's no sorting on the front end. There's there are projects. There's a filter. Yeah, but that's not updating the projects list.
Really hoping this would be easy.
It should have been, because changing the backend should update the front end.
I'm trying to just pass in a sort parameter to the project
Okay.
query from the front end to see if that does make a difference for some reason. I don't know. My GDK is slowly dying though, I think.
Always happens on stream. It really looks like it has a mind of its own.
Yeah, I got rid of the pry shell, so there shouldn't be anything. And I didn't change the backend, so it's not recompiling. It's just
Well, you
not
did
liking
change
us.
the backend because you commented out the binding.
True.
Come on.
GDK restart.
If we don't have any other solution. Oh, that was quick.
Yeah, as soon as you restart it, it's like, nope, can't connect anymore.
Yep.
Something's.
Yeah, something's stuck.
The Rails web.
Yeah, I had to kill it.
Yeah, so all I did was pass in a sort parameter to the GraphQL, which should. Yeah, it should match with that. Field name, sort direction. Yeah.
Yep.
I mean, I have set it as ID ascending, which is what I've done in the back end here anyway, as a default.
Yeah.
And if changing it here doesn't do anything, I don't know if it's going to change anything.
Projects order ID.
Although I guess this time it should be hidden this sort by attribute. Although I think this is just an alias, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, that's kind of different, I think. No, that's the same.
Yeah. Reorder self ID. Reorder self, yeah. I wonder why they have these done differently then.
Maybe this is some legacy code that they wrote before trying to unify all the sorting thing.
It's saying here, sometimes queries require explicit disambiguation with table name.
Okay, makes sense.
This still isn't loading up for some reason.
Oh, someone's watching.
Hello.
Oh, chat. Hi there.
Oh, chatting on Restream. Where even is the message?
On the right, there's a chat. Oh, maybe you don't see it as a guest.
I can see the right-hand side. I can see someone saying hello.
Oh, yeah.
But I can't comment.
I can.
Oh. Okay, that threw an error now. Fantastic. Argument sort on field projects has an invalid value ID as expected type namespace project sort what?
Huh?
It's supposed to be of type string. What's what?
What? Oh, check the base enum. Oh, there's. I think there's gonna be quite a few.
That's just the spec.
Namespace project sort in.
I don't think it's using this, is it?
No, it's not.
Search projects group full path. Oh, hang on, it's a group one. Is it? Is that a group resolver?
Well, it should resolve the group by the full path and then use the project resolver to search for projects. Yeah. Yeah, because the group model will definitely have the projects attribute with the. Oh,
Wait, it can't. We're passing and include subgroups. And unless it's in there. No. So yeah, it's not using this resolver.
huh. Oh no, that's going to be include underscore subgroup.
Oh yeah. Groups controller. Group projects finder.
Yeah, that could be the one.
But where's the group issuable resolver? Namespace projects resolver, that could also be.
Oh boy.
There we go. Namespace project sort enum. Sort ID search. Namespace is projects finder.
So that's using a different finder also.
Yeah. It's using this one here. By similarity.
What does it mean by similarity? Sorted by similarity, that should be on the project model.
Default value is nil.
Okay, so sorting by similarity, which only supports descending, by the way. Shut up, Siri.
Hello. Oh, is that what silly? Is that what Siri sounds like?
Yeah. Oh boy. That sorted by similarity descending method is on project.rb, on the project model. And that's I don't know what that's doing.
Oh, this is exactly what I wanted, actually. This is so pre-recording. I was talking about searching by path and giving that a particular multiplier, and then
Okay.
doing like description with a lower multiplier.
Okay.
I think this is what I was after.
Okay. Also, I'm going to have to close this in a couple of minutes because I have to go back to the office.
That's all right. No worries. I think because this should mean that if like something is a direct match, it will float higher up the search results.
Yeah, but a direct match on the path, not on the name. I mean, I would have made them the opposite, meaning giving more weight to the name and less to the path.
I think you'd want the path the highest, because then if you type in flight.js/flight, like
Yeah.
you're obviously typing in the path of that, and you want that particular project to appear at the top. If you did name the highest, then yeah, I'm not actually sure how that would work then.
Yeah. So basically, this is already doing what you wanted to do. It's just the opposite.
I think at the moment because there's no sort being passed in.
Yeah.
It is returning. It's just returning the items as they are. If you do sort by similarity, then yeah, it will return them in the correct order. It's weird that if you don't pass in.
Oh, if you don't pass a sort,
Yeah. Okay.
if you search, that's going to search basically, but only if you provide the sorting method that's going to sort by similarity.
Yeah. So this won't change anything at the moment, but if I type in flight, then it should now trigger the similarity search.
Yeah, and that should work.
Otherwise, it's just doing a search, like a normal kind of search.
Yeah, and that's probably sorting by ID.
Oh, wait, hang on. Is that? Should that just be in lowercase? Oh, I thought.
I'm not too sure.
It's telling me that similarity in uppercase is bad.
No, that's the value of the enum, so that should be uppercase.
Because I tried uppercase first and it complained. I'll try lowercase and see.
Okay. You could also try on the GraphQL Explorer and see what it's suggesting.
Oh, yeah. How'd you do that again? Is it
Dash? No. Yeah. GraphQL dash Explorer.
and what do we want? We want group.
Well,
Wait, no, I want query. Group, full path, flight.js? No.
quotes.
Okay, that's not giving me any type hinting now.
Uh,
Oh, there you go. Oh, it's not in a string, that's why. Like that, apparently.
well, you could, yeah, copy that and see if that's working.
What do I need? Include sub projects. Nope. Probably should have just done this from the start.
That's actually
It would have
right.
been quicker.
Yeah. Flight project.
So this shouldn't make a difference either way. Yeah, because there's no search term. But if we did search flight,
yeah,
then I would hope 6 comes to the top.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I
and if
don't
we
know if that was on purpose, but as you said, yeah, I heard the ping.
yeah, that was my phone. Awesome. That didn't work.
Because
Not sure. I am keen to test this out on GitLab though.
Path name. Oh well, yeah, we can actually test this one on GitLab.
Because the path would be GitLab org, is it?
Yeah, no, GitLab, yeah, org.
GitLab, yeah. Searching for GitLab.
Oh, how many records? Nope. I'm afraid I have to go now.
Oh wait, the name is GitLab. Name is GitLab. Name GitLab. Oh.
Why the name is the same?
Don't know. Oh, but there's GitLab.
Yeah, but that's not the first one.
It's not, but it's at least it's on the list.
Yeah.
All of these names, all these are cool.
All of those names are actually GitLab.
Yeah.
They're on subgroups. Yeah, they should have picked a better name.
Frozen fork of GitLab used for testing. Yeah.
Yeah, there are many projects with the GitLab name.
Yeah. I mean, in this case, though, at least it does return GitLab at some point.
Yeah, that makes sense. I wonder why that's having a score bigger than the other ones.
I wish I knew why this didn't return. Oh, it did return stuff this time.
And that's still not working.
It's still not quite right, though.
Yeah. Well, I have you to keep digging by yourself, I'm afraid.
No, it's 11 o'clock here now. I'm going to call it as well.
Yeah. I'm going to the office because otherwise I'm going to be late.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you for joining today. And
thank you.
And thank everyone that actually joined during the stream.
Yeah, that looks like, are they from Discord or did they sign in with Discord? It looks like they've got a Discord icon there.
No, that's a Twitch icon.
That's a what icon?
A Twitch icon.
Oh, it is a Twitch icon. Yeah.
Yeah.
I clearly don't use Twitch enough, do I?
Well, anyway, I'm going to have to go now.
Yeah. All right. Thank you again, Marco. And I'll catch you next week.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.